What's up, guys? It's just Vinny here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to clean a Rossi 22-410. Let's get started. The items you'll need is the gun, 22 barrel, 410 barrel, a little brush for the 22, a big brush for the 410, some toilet paper, a lighter, and some paracord. Okay, so step 2 is going to be a little bit more tricky. So I'm going to get my lighter and my paracord. I'm going to light the end so that it's not okay. And so I'm going to get my brush, and on the end there should be a little loop. This is for cleaning water bottles, but or straws I meant. And so I'm going to put it right at the end. And I'm going to grab something to hit it with. Okay. So now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to get the other side. I already lit it to make it so there's not strings everywhere. I'm going to put it through the end of the barrel. I'm just going to feed it. I'm going to feed it through until it's at the other side. I'm going to pull it until I get to the brush. And I'm just going to try to fit it all down. Okay, so now, as you see, I'm going to pull from the other side. It's going to go like this. And that brush is going to clean all of the inside. So now I'm just going to pull it until... So this brush just cleaned everything inside of the barrel. So now that we're done with that, we're going to move on to the 410. Okay, so now that we got the 22 long rifle barrel done, we're on to the 410. So the 410 barrels take shotgun shell, so it's going to be a bigger barrel. So I have a bigger brush. And I've already went ahead and, because it was a circle, so I smushed it down. And I put my rope through there, and then I lit the end so it's nice and snug. So now what I'm going to do is just light the other end quick. Oh boy. Ow! Darn it, that hurt. Holy crap. So what I'm doing is just licking my fingers and just dabbing it, but it was way too hot, so probably just dip it in water. Burnt my finger. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is stick it in the end of the barrel, and again just feed it through all the way to the other end. So now that it's through the other end, I'm just going to pull until it comes to the end, and then I'll stick it down the barrel. Or I'll try to. There we go. It's to the barrel. And now you just pull. It just cleaned it. So now I'm just going to quickly cut this off. Okay, so we finished, and we just got some extra rope, and now both gun barrels are clean and the gun is clean. And how you put it in is there a little knob in the middle, and you put it like this, like just like that. I'm missing the stock, so it could just come apart easily. But if you have the stock, that allows it to not like fall off. It'll only fall off if you take this off. And this is the 410 one. 22. It's the same thing, you just throw it on like this, and there you go. You're good to go.